Hello, my love. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gabby Chanel, and on this channel, we talk real beauty, real femininity, real leveling up, inside and out. Today, we're talking about beauty tricks that quietly separate women who are admired, chosen, and remembered from everyone else. Not loud beauty, not try-hard beauty, but intentional, feminine beauty that makes people stop, stare, and respect you. Let's get into it. Trick number 1, you treat your skin like an investment, not a trend. Women ahead of the curve don't chase every new product on TikTok. They master their skin. They know their skin type, their undertone, what makes them glow versus break out. They focus on hydration, consistency, and protection. Clear, calm skin reads self-control, health, discipline. You can wear no makeup at all and still look expensive when your skin is right. Trick number 2, your hair is always intentional. Even on lazy days, high-level women don't have bad hair days. They have low-effort hairstyles that still look polished. Whether it's a sleek low bun, soft curls, a clean middle part, protective styles that are neat and maintained. Your hair should never look like an afterthought. Messy is different from unstyled, and people can tell. Trick number 3, you smell unforgettable, not overpowering. This is where most women mess up. Being ahead of 99% means one signature scent or 2, one for day, one for night. You don't smell like everyone else. You don't overspray. You leave a soft trail. People should think of you when they smell it again. That's power. Trick number 4, your makeup enhances, not competes with. You women who are truly beautiful don't hide behind makeup. They understand their face shape, their features, what needs emphasis and what doesn't. Instead of, look at my makeup. People think, she's so pretty, but I can't explain why. That's when you've mastered it. Trick number 5, your nails are always clean and neutral. This one is small but powerful. Ahead of the curve, women don't always have flashy nails. They prioritize clean, neutral, feminine, soft pinks, nudes, French tips, short almond. Your hands say a lot about your lifestyle and habits. People notice. Trick number 6, you take care of your body even when no one sees it. Beauty isn't just how you look when you're dressed up. It's how you treat yourself in private. That means drinking water, stretching, walking, eating to feel good, not punish yourself. A woman who moves gently and confidently in her body is magnetic. You can't fake that. Trick number 7, you speak slowly and softly, but with certainty. This is one of the biggest glow-ups. Women ahead of 99% don't rush their words, don't over-explain, don't raise their voice to be heard. They pause, they choose their words, they let silence work for them. This alone makes you appear more confident, feminine, and attractive. Trick number 8, you edit your appearance like a brand. You don't wear everything. You don't follow every trend. You curate. Your colors match. Your outfits make sense for your body. Your look feels cohesive. People can describe your vibe in one sentence. That's when you know you're doing it right. Trick number 9, you look put together even when you're doing nothing. This is the difference maker. Ahead of 99% women have matching lounge sets, simple jewelry they always wear, hair that looks done even casually. They don't wait for special occasions to look good. Looking good is normal for them. Trick number 10, you believe you are beautiful and act like it. This is the real secret, not arrogance, not insecurity, but quiet self-assurance. You don't seek validation, you don't compare, you don't beg to be chosen. Your energy says, I know who I am, and beauty follows belief every single time. Trick number 11, You protect your face from stress, not just aging stress shows. In your skin, in your eyes, in your posture. Women ahead of the curve don't live in constant chaos. They don't argue unnecessarily. They don't entertain draining conversations. They choose peace, and peace keeps them youthful. Trick number 12, you master posture and body language. You don't slouch, you don't shrink, you don't fidget nervously, you sit tall, you walk slowly, you move with intention. Good posture alone can make an average-looking woman look stunning. It signals confidence before you ever speak. Trick number 13, your lips are always soft and cared for. This is subtle but powerful, ahead of 99% women. Exfoliate their lips, keep them moisturized, choose flattering tones. Cracked, dry lips subconsciously read as neglect. Soft lips read as femininity and self-care. Trick number 14, you don't chase trends. You refine your look, trends change. Class doesn't. Women who stay ahead, keep what works for them, ignore what doesn't. Update slowly, not impulsively. They're recognizable. They're consistent. They don't look dated, but they don't look desperate either. Trick number 15, you groom everything people don't see first. Eyebrows, baby hairs, neck, ears, feet. Women who are always admired handle the details because details separate pretty from polished. Trick number 16, you know when less is more. Too much makeup, too much perfume, too much jewelry, too much explaining. High-level beauty is restraint. When you pull back, people lean in. That's power. Trick number 17, you maintain softness even when life hardens you. Life will test you. Relationships will test you. People will disappoint you. But women ahead of the curve don't become bitter. They become wiser and softer at the same time. Softness is not weakness, it's emotional intelligence. Trick number 18, you rest like it's part of your beauty routine. Sleep is not optional, rest is not lazy. Women who glow protect their sleep, take breaks without guilt. Understand that exhaustion shows. A rested woman looks richer, calmer, and more attractive every time. Trick number 19, you are selective about who has access to you. Everyone doesn't get your energy. Everyone doesn't get your time. Everyone doesn't get your softness. Being selective protects your beauty. Your aura matters. Trick number 20, you live like you expect good things to happen. This is the final secret. You don't move from fear. You don't assume disappointment. You don't brace for the worst. You move like someone who expects love, beauty, and ease, and the world responds accordingly. Before we close, let's quickly recap everything we talked about. Because when you see it all together, you realize beauty at this level is intentional living, not effort. You invest in your skin instead of chasing trends. You keep your hair intentional, even on low-effort days. You choose a signature scent that leaves a soft, unforgettable impression. You use makeup to enhance your features, not hide behind it. You keep your nails clean, neutral, and feminine. You care for your body privately, not just when people are watching. You speak slowly, softly, and with certainty. You curate your appearance like a personal brand. You look put together even when you're doing nothing. You genuinely believe you are beautiful and move accordingly. You protect your peace because stress shows. You maintain posture and body language that commands respect. You keep your lips soft and well cared for. You refine your look instead of chasing every trend. You groom the details most people overlook. You understand that less is more. You maintain softness without losing discernment. You rest as part of your beauty routine. You are selective about who gets access to you. And you live like you expect good things to happen. That's what puts you ahead of 99% of women. This isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. When you take care of yourself this way, people respond differently. Opportunities feel lighter. Love feels natural. And life starts meeting you where you are. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to Gabi Chanel for more beauty, femininity, motivation, self-improvement, and real big sister advice. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to show up as the woman you already are. I'll see you in the next video.